In this video, I will tell you about the boundary command in AutoCAD. Located under the Home tab in the Hatch panel, the boundary command can be used to create enclosed spaces on our screen. So what do we use them for? When we want to calculate an area, sometimes it asks us for an object. And it might be easy to show a square, but to show the inside of an object as an enclosed space, we sometimes need to draw it with a polyline. Like this, we can divide this area like this. We can create this area here and later carry this object outside. When we want to do something like this, we can use this method. But if there are many more objects, it will take time to click on each corner. We can instead use the boundary command to perform this task. What we will do is to use the pick point command to mark the area. As you see, this is highlighted. When I press enter, as you can see, we have an area drawn with polyline. If you want to create a different texture, as you can see, we'll select boundary here and click pick point. And select this area. As you see, it automatically selected this area. Sometimes there might be errors. For example, it might assume that it is very close. Let me show you. We mark the object and zoom in. Let's say that it's here. Now when we look from afar, the edges seem enclosed. Here, we can select pick point and click here. You'll see that it selected a much bigger area because the opening here rendered the function unable to detect the other boundaries and perceived the entire object as an enclosed area, unfortunately. Like this, we can see different sizes for example, let's close here and leave here open. We click boundary again, we say pinpoint, and when we click here, right now it has detected an error. It tells us that there are certain openings here. When we close it, you can see that it has marked the open points for us. Right now there are openings in these areas and showed us those points. So we need to enclose them. When I grab it from here and enclose it, now I can use the boundary command again. I click it, select pick point, I select here, and as you'll see, it directly created an object in this area. We can comfortably use this now. If you wish, we can type BO into the command bar to activate the boundary command. We have two methods. One of them is region, the other is polyline. I prefer polyline to create a line. You can also select a plane if you want. So we can use both methods to create an area like this. We can later turn them into a single object with polyline, or we can divide them with the explode command. In this video, we told you about the boundary command in AutoCAD. We hope to see you in the next video.